Okay, so we are hiking.
This is the start of something beautiful. With you by my side, there's no place that we can go. This is the start of something beautiful. Under the starlight, we'll find our way, I know. This is the start of something beautiful. With you by my side, there's no place that we can go. This is the start of something beautiful.
Okay, so we are hiking on an icy trail. So nice. It's a sunny day but really cold.
We go the hard way when we are properly dressed and we have all the equipment.
I feel like we're not gonna come back here. I like how everybody took my stick.
How? Everyone, I didn't see Bobby. Bobby. That's me.
We should have went here. Red.
Okay, so the red arrows means that the hiking trail on this side, the red one, it's harder. It's more harder, much harder, more difficult.
Since we have little
But
kids
the
with
one
us,
on
we
the
have to go
green, we have,
green.
yeah, exactly.
We should have went here. Red.
Okay, so the red arrows means that the hiking trail on this side, the red one, it's harder. It's more harder, much harder, more difficult.
Since we have little
But
kids
the
with
one
us,
on
we
the
have to
green,
go
we have,
green.
yeah, exactly. Okay, guys, so the red arrow means that the track on the red side, this one on the right, it's much difficult compared to the one on the left side, which is green. So we're gonna take the green one because we have like lots of kids with us.
Like every 7.
Okay, let's hide here and scare them. Okay, they're right there. Over there. Wait,
They're coming
let me
back.
see. Let me see. They're
Vikas
right
uncle's over there.
behind the
Vikas
bushes.
uncle's over there.
I know, I know. I know. Let them come, let them come, let them come. Okay, so you're playing a game now on them. You're gonna scare them. Okay, hide behind the tree.
They're trying to look for us. I think they're looking for
Let
us.
them look for us, that's okay. Let's sit down here.
But they're gonna go that way. वो चले गए विकास अंकल तो चले गए वहाँ
Where
पीछे.
did he go? Oh, he went to the other side.
हाँ.
Let's follow
Wait.
from the back.
Usman uncle's
Inside
looking.
the
Usman
bushes.
uncle looking.
Let him,
Look,
let
look,
him, it's okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
We're on a phone.
It is, right?
Adi, we're on a phone. Baba, you sounded like
Yeah, it's going in. My feet are going in.
Baba, we sound like 6 times. Why? Look at this dog sniffing. Hey, look in the under.
I know, I know.
Okay, you guys want to do a short video?
Yeah.
Talk about your first performance?
Okay, guys, be careful, okay? It's all muddy here.
Don't stop him. Don't stop him.
Matthew.
Why? Don't stop him.
He's the man.
You have the map in your hand,
Yeah, so
so don't stop him. Over here. Go back to the RV place. Oh no, we haven't been here. ये मरी के hill pass road याद आया. है ना?
But we've never been to Murray in winter, right? I've been there, but guys never
Wow.
been.
Technically, we were there in winter.
Yeah,
We were there in November.
Yeah.
Wow, Murray's so beautiful. I want to go back there.
It was good.
snow hiking, night
It's the
hiking.
first time hiking on the snow, right?
Snow hiking या फिर hiking कभी नहीं की थी. I just experience snow hiking.
I actually need to cool my hands down somewhere.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Be careful.
So let's see.
So how was the experience, Aman? Hiking on the snow? You like it? You want to do it again?
Huh?
You want to do it again?
Pardon?
You want to do this again?
Yes.
I don't think so. I will for sure. I like it. It's a nice experience. Wow.
You wanted to stop 5 trails ago.
I know. Because I was scared that you guys are gonna ask for the washroom.
मैं तो नहीं कुछ किया.
आप you use the bathroom.
So we were already there. That's why. And I only had to go when I saw the washroom sign. Before that, I didn't have to go.
Okay.
I only did it because your dad was there.
So how come we were on the yellow trail and we came to the green one? Really?
Wait, what? Now we're starting trail 5 and we're going back to trail 2 from where we started.
You okay?
There's chairs and stuff.
Yeah, this is for the
Camping?
camping ground. Yeah, so people camp here in summers.
Come on. Pick you up. I'm tired.
So we came to the wrong trail. Again, we are going back in circles.
No, we're not.
Yeah, we are.
I wasn't gonna fall, huh?
This is how you do it.
Yeah, let's look. I'm watching.
You do it the professional way.
Oh, it's up. Guys, it's a park.
Wow, who made that park, man, over here?
Baba, my right hand hurts from doing this. Yeah, like putting it down. The wrist hurts. Oh. I wanted to ski.
You guys are weak, man. You live in the big cities. You guys are weak. You don't do anything.
Are you okay?
physically.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I know.
Are you okay? I do more physical activity than you do.
Yeah, what do you do? Play basketball? You guys gonna fall again? Are you okay, Shal?
You're almost done.
I hate snow hiking.
The fries waiting for you.
Oh, okay, now I'm back.